Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Alaska, a land where breathtaking landscapes meet unparalleled adventure. From towering mountains and expansive glaciers to lush forests and vibrant wildlife, Alaska is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing before the majestic Denali, North America's highest peak, or witnessing the stunning northern lights dance across the night sky. Each corner of this vast state offers unique attractions that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking tranquility in nature. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of Alaska's most iconic destinations, highlighting the must-see spots and hidden gems that make this state truly special. Get ready to immerse yourself in the rich culture, diverse ecosystems, and thrilling activities that Alaska has to offer. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of adventure, our guide will inspire you to explore the wild beauty of the last frontier. So, grab your gear, and let's dive into the wonders of Alaska, where every moment is an opportunity for discovery and awe. Denali National Park is a true gem of Alaska, showcasing some of the most breathtaking scenery in the world. At the heart of the park stands Mount Denali, the tallest peak in North America, soaring to an impressive 20,310 feet. This iconic mountain is not just a stunning backdrop. It holds deep cultural significance for the indigenous people, and is a symbol of the wild spirit of Alaska. The park's vast wilderness, spanning over 6 million acres, is a playground for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Visitors to Denali can immerse themselves in a variety of activities that highlight the park's stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. Hiking trails range from easy walks to challenging backcountry routes, offering something for everyone. Wildlife viewing is another highlight, with opportunities to spot grizzly bears, moose, caribou, and wolves in their natural habitat. Photographers will find endless inspiration, capturing the dramatic vistas and vibrant colors that change with the seasons. Whether you're seeking a thrilling adventure or a peaceful retreat into nature, Denali National Park promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the raw beauty and wild spirit of Alaska. Glacier Bay National Park is a breathtaking showcase of nature's power and beauty, featuring dramatic landscapes shaped by ancient glaciers. The park is home to an array of stunning glacial formations, including massive tidewater glaciers that calve spectacularly into the icy waters below. As you explore this pristine wilderness, you'll be captivated by the striking contrasts of deep blue ice against lush green forests and rugged mountains, creating a visual feast for the senses. Adventure awaits in Glacier Bay, with numerous opportunities for kayaking and boat tours that allow you to get up close to the glaciers and experience the park's serene beauty. Paddling through the calm waters, you might encounter playful sea otters, majestic humpback whales, and a variety of seabirds, making wildlife spotting an exhilarating part of your journey. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Glacier Bay is not only a natural wonder, but also a vital ecosystem that requires preservation for future generations. The park's unique environment serves as a critical habitat for diverse species and plays a significant role in climate research. By visiting and appreciating Glacier Bay, you contribute to the ongoing efforts to protect this extraordinary landscape and its rich biodiversity. Anchorage is a vibrant city that beautifully blends urban life with the stunning natural beauty of Alaska. As the largest city in the state, Anchorage offers a variety of local attractions that cater to both residents and visitors. One must-visit spot is the Anchorage Museum, where you can delve into the rich history and culture of Alaska through engaging exhibits and art collections. For those who love the outdoors, the Tony Knowles Coastal Trail provides a scenic pathway for walking, biking, or simply enjoying breathtaking views of the coastline and the surrounding mountains. Cultural diversity is a hallmark of Anchorage, reflected in its thriving culinary scene. From fresh seafood to international cuisine, the city boasts a range of dining options that celebrate flavors from around the world. Whether you're indulging in locally caught salmon or savoring dishes inspired by the diverse communities that call Anchorage home, your taste buds are in for a treat. Moreover, Anchorage serves as a gateway to exploring Alaska's vast wilderness. With easy access to national parks, hiking trails, and stunning landscapes, the city is the perfect starting point for your Alaskan adventure. Whether you seek urban excitement or outdoor exploration, Anchorage has something for everyone. Seward is a picturesque coastal town that serves as the gateway to the breathtaking wonders of Kenai Fjords National Park. This stunning area is renowned for its dramatic fjords, towering glaciers, and rich marine wildlife. As you explore the park, you'll be captivated by the sight of massive glaciers calving into the ocean, creating a mesmerizing display of ice and water. The waters are teeming with life, where you might spot playful sea otters, majestic orcas, and a variety of seabirds soaring overhead. Popular activities in Seward include boat tours that take you deep into the heart of Kenai fjords, offering unparalleled views of the stunning landscapes and opportunities for wildlife viewing. For those who prefer to explore on foot, the park features a network of hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas and serene spots perfect for soaking in the natural beauty. Beyond its natural attractions, Seward itself is a charming town filled with friendly locals, quaint shops, and delicious dining options. Its welcoming atmosphere makes it an ideal base for exploration, allowing visitors to easily access the incredible adventures that await in Kenai Fjords National Park and beyond. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Seward is a destination that truly has it all. Fairbanks is a unique destination that offers visitors a rich tapestry of history and culture set against the stunning backdrop of Alaska's interior. One of the city's standout attractions is the University of Alaska Museum of the North, where you can explore fascinating exhibits that showcase the state's natural history, indigenous cultures, and art. This museum provides a deep dive into Alaska's heritage, making it a must-visit for anyone wanting to understand the region's past. Fairbanks is also renowned for its incredible natural phenomena, particularly the northern lights. During the winter months, the skies come alive with vibrant colors, creating a magical experience for those lucky enough to witness this breathtaking display. Additionally, visitors can unwind in the area's natural hot springs, providing a perfect way to relax while surrounded by the beauty of the Alaskan wilderness. Historically, Fairbanks played a significant role during Alaska's gold rush, serving as a hub for prospectors and adventurers seeking their fortunes. This rich history is still palpable today, with many sites and stories that celebrate the spirit of exploration and discovery. Whether you're drawn by its cultural offerings or its stunning natural wonders, Fairbanks is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through some of the best places to visit in Alaska, showcasing the state's incredible diversity in landscapes and experiences, from the towering peaks of Denali National Park to the stunning glaciers of Glacier Bay, and the vibrant city life in Anchorage to the charming coastal town of Seward, Alaska, offers a wealth of adventures for every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities, rich cultural experiences, or simply a chance to connect with nature, Alaska has something special waiting for you. We encourage you to explore these remarkable destinations for your own adventures and create unforgettable memories in the last frontier. Each location we discussed has its own unique charm and beauty, inviting you to discover the wonders of this incredible state. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow adventurers. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel insights and inspiration. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on your next journey to Alaska.